Imagine you are not answerable to anyone. Imagine you have not exhausted your credit card limit. Imagine you don't have to pay your housing loan EMI or vehicle loan EMI. Imagine you are out of the rat race. So why I am saying this? Because there are many things in the stock market. Even if you have zero knowledge, you can make money in the stock market, but we are behind complicated things and using risky instruments like option to make money. Let me show you something. This is the Nifty Bees. If you know what is Nifty Bees, it is an ETF. Had you invested 1 lakh in Nifty Bees in the last 1 year, you would have made more than 45 to 47% return on income. So the answer is, so the conclusion or the thing is, what I am trying to say is, we can make money in simple ways, but rather we are running behind complicated things. Hello traders, my name is Umar. Welcome to yet another video. So let's see what is the market saying. Before that, I would like to thank you for the previous video which I have posted about a strategy, and I got good response and I got very motivating comments from you people. I really appreciate that, and I am really thankful to all of the subscribers, right? But also what I have noticed is more than 50 or 70 60% of the viewers are not subscribed to this channel. Please make sure to subscribe this channel so that you get more contents, valuable and highly good contents in this channel. So let's see the market. Markets are really in the sense, there was a good news today. Good news in the sense, Reliance was very flattish, but in the second part of the trading session, Reliance shooted up along with other metal stocks, right? So what was the news? Aramco is planning to invest in Reliance Industries, Reliance flagship company, Reliance Industries, right? So they are planning to invest more than 20% buy 20% stake in Reliance Industries. That alone should help the Nifty to hold. Otherwise, Nifty would have not holded, and you know Bank Nifty was not performing, but Nifty is performing. And if you see the data is really confusing. People are short in the Bank Nifty, but people are long in Nifty. And I think Nifty is not going to come below 16,500. The way people are writing put options in Nifty is really aggressive. They have written put options all the way from 16,000 to 16,500. But at the same time, people are writing calls in Bank Nifty also. They don't want the Bank Nifty to go up, right? So if you see HDFC Twins, they didn't perform really good. And in fact in Nifty also, if you see, Titan was performing, Britannia was performing, all the auto stocks was not performing, but Reliance alone is having a good weightage in Nifty, so it was able to take the Nifty to the new lifetime high, right? So people, now what I feel is that Nifty is not going to come below 16,500. And as always, whenever I tell, whenever I am bullish, market are likely to travel on the opposite direction. But anyway, I have not taken any directional view. I am fully in non-directional strategies, right? So I have taken non-directional strategies. Let us see, we have taken Straddles and Strangles, and let us see what is going to happen. And this week, you know, there is only 2 more trading sessions. So there is going to be a good amount of theta decay both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So it is good time for you to do a straddle, strangle or iron fly both in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. If you don't know how to manage the position you have taken in Nifty, let's say you have taken a straddle or strangle or even an iron fly, you can always watch our playlist, adjustment playlist, which is I will put the link somewhere here, or I will try to put it in the description below, right? So markets are really going to move on the upside, that's what I think. And global cues are not positive, and we are we are not getting support from global cues. If we get support from global cues, maybe markets can see real time lifetime high, right? Maybe it will touch 17,000 or maybe above 17,000. So upside is not like we are what we say, we are in uncharted territory, right? We don't know what is going to happen. But for now, what I see is 16,500 is going to be a good support. Markets are likely not to come below 16,500. That's what I think. So let's see how things pan out, and as we told, there are only 2 more trading sessions, so it is a good opportunity. Had you taken a straddle, strangle or any other strategy in Friday, on Friday, due to theta decay, we would have made good amount of money. But going forward, we should see, I'm not telling you have to take straddle or strangle tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It's going to be very tough if thing goes wrong. As you know, there is a good amount of VIX is really low and premium is also really low. But what is happening is, we have been telling this for the past few days, that even though VIX is very low, you see this markets are moving very violently on the both side, right? Like Nifty, what it did last week, and even Bank Nifty, what it did last week. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, still I am trying to recover the losses which I made in the first week of August series. So almost 15 trading session gone, and still we have not able to recover the losses. So we are in the process of recovering the losses, and let's see what is going to happen. And as we have been telling, there is a confusion, like Nifty is bullish and Bank Nifty is bearish. There are good amount of put writing in Nifty, and there is good amount of call writing in Bank Nifty. There is good amount of put writing in Nifty and good amount of call writing in Bank Nifty, right? 16,500, there is good amount of put writing, 16,400, 16,300, and Bank Nifty is on the opposite direction. They are writing calls all the way from 36,200, 36,500 till 37,000. There are call writers. And if you remember, I have been telling that if you had done to do a straddle at 36,000, had you done a straddle at 36,000, you would have made good money, right? So that is how market works. These are the times, like even now you can go and do a short straddle in Bank Nifty. It is going to help you very much. And indices, FII data, FIIs are net sellers in cash market. They have sold more than 1,000 crores, and DIs have been buying, had bought for around 506 crores. So FII is on and off. One day they are buying, one day they are selling, one day they are buying, one day they are selling. So on and off they are not. So when the market moves in one direction is when FIIs continuously keep on buying or keep on selling, the market goes on the downside. Now what I see here is FIIs are on and off. They buy one day, they sell one day, they buy one day, they sell one day. So they have sold today. So it's a kind of confusing market, confusing. And I think the market is going to be consolidating for the next few days, or at least for another 1 week. So it's really a good time for you to do a short straddle, strangle, or any other strategy in Bank Nifty or even Nifty. So you are going to make a good amount of money. So markets are going to be bullish only. If we get support from Bank Nifty also, market may touch lifetime high. Nifty is performing, but Bank Nifty is not performing, so we will have to wait and see. If we get support from Bank Nifty and their good positive global cues, then we may touch new lifetime high, right? So that's what I think is going to happen in the market. So we are, again I am telling, I am just neutral, I am not taking any directional view. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.